Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you're all fine and safe. My dear children, so far what we discussed? File handling using text files. In this session, we are going to discuss the binary file handling. Let me discuss the first program, writing string to a binary file. To store string in binary file, we must convert it into binary format, either by prefixing a string with a B or using encode function. So look at the program I used here. Here I using the string message having the value of welcome, and I opened the binary file myfile.bin. The extension I used is bin. Then WB is used for what? For writing in a binary file. Then f.write, that the file object.write of message.encode. That means what? I am encoding or I am converting the message into binary format. Then I am writing that so that message will be welcome, that will be encoded and written into the file. Then I also return B to Python learning, that is welcome to Python learning. B is representing binary. So my dear children, in my bin file I'll get the string like welcome, then which is followed with which is having to Python learning, that is the second string I entered. So either you can use encode of function or you can prefix the string with the B for writing a string into a binary file. Give me the next example. Let me give the next example. Reading from a binary file as a string. So myfile.bin, RB I used for what? For reading the binary file. Then using read function, I had read the message into the string msg, then print msg. So I will get be welcome to Python learning. And if I am giving message.decode off, we can observe without decoding it, it will prefix text with B. Otherwise, we will get after decoding, it will print like welcome to Python learning only. So my dear children, so if you wrote a message or if you wrote a string using encode function, it will be easily decoded using decoder function. Let me give the next example. A program to create a binary file to store few records in it. So here I used open names.dat and I opened the file for writing format as F. Then answer is equal to Y. Here I am trying to get many records from the user. If answer becomes Y, then I am getting the user's name, then length of the name. Name is equal to name plus size of record minus 1 into a space. To add extra space with the name to make it the length of 20. Then name equal to name dot encode, F equal to write of name, answer is equal to input add more. So when the user gives the answer as Y, it will repeat again, otherwise it will stop. So my dear children, the programs runs like this or executes like this. It will ask the first name, that is Amit, add more Y, then because Samit, Nitin and Sanjay. So in my binary file, I can store the names like Amit with a space, 20 space. Size of record minus 1. That is size of record is what? Rec1. Size of rec1 minus 1. That means 20 space. Then Vikas, then Samit, Nitin and Sanjay. As I entered in the output, it will be stored in the binary file. I think you are all clear about how to create a binary file and how to store few records in it. By getting the values from the user, you can directly write into the binary file. So here I used the particular line, name equal to name plus size of record minus 1. That means what? I am giving a name with a 20 size into a space. So we will get 20 bytes after the name. So we will get the name spacing. After Amit, 20 will be the space, then Vikas, then 20 spaces, then Samit. Like that we will get the values. Then accessing record randomly from the binary file. How to access? Randomly from the binary file. Here I used the size of record is equal to 20. Each name will occupy 20 bytes. Then input record number. So which record you need to access, that you have to enter. Then I opened the file with the as f. So hereafter I can use f as the file object. Here I used what? File object dot seek. Seek is a function which is used for setting the file pointer into a particular position. I'll repeat. Seek is a function which is used for seeking the file or setting the file pointer into a particular position. So what I had given, size of record, that is into 20 into num minus 1. That is num, if I am giving fifth one, so num minus 1, 4. 20 into 4. That will, it will take the 80th value, 80th byte. So the fifth record I will get. Then I am getting the string and I am trying to read the size of record. F dot read of size of record. That means from that position it will read the name. So 20 position it will read. Then if length str is equal to 0, incorrect position, else it will decode and print. So my dear children, I am getting the number of record. Enter record number. I am giving us 3. So, and the name which I am getting is Sumit. So, record number 10, incorrect position. So, in the 10th position, there is no such record present. So, my dear children, please be aware about the function seek. Seek is used for what? For setting up of the file pointer into a particular position. Then program to search a name in binary and display the record number. So the same function I used here. The size. Import OS. os.path.getSize. Names.dat. There we will get the total size of the particular file. Binary files size will get from get size of. Then print the size of the file size. Then finding the number of record. How many number of record? That will be size divided by size of record. Size of record is 20. So we will get each numbers or each records or total number of records in a file. Print the number of records. We will get the number of records. Then here I am trying to give the number name to search. Then I am encoding n, position 0, found equal to false. For I in range, num minus, that is num record. So I becomes 0 to total number of records. That is 8, it may be 8, it may be 20. How many number of names we will storing in the binary file? It will be stored in the num record. So total number of records will be stored. So for I in range means 0 to that particular number. Then seek the position. Position is 0 now. Then read the value. Then print the found at the, if n in str, that is if we are getting the name in the str, then found at the record. We will get giving the position in that particular position, the record found. The found become true. So found is considered as a flag variable. found is considered as a flag variable. Then position plus is equal to size of record. We need to enter if the if statement getting false, we need to try it for the next record. That is why the size position plus is equal to size of record. The next 20th byte it will be stored in the position. The first position becomes 0. Then for the execution position become 20. Then 40. Then 60, like that it will goes on. Is it clear? Then if not found. Not found means what? Not true. The name not found. That means false. Then it will print not found. So my dear children, if you are having 10 records in a particular file, then I am giving the 5th record name as Amit. It will print the result like found at the record. Found at the record 5. Otherwise it will print name not found. I think you are all clear about how to display the record number. The previous one is for what? How to get the name of a particular position. Here I used the name and getting the number of record. Further detailing will be in the second module. Thank you.